everybody, today we're going to make a honey mustard fried chicken sandwich. Let's get cooking. For this recipe sauce, you will need half a yellow onion, half cup yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon MSG, half a cup honey, 1/4 cup brown sugar, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon turmeric, and 2 garlic cloves. For the sandwich itself, we will be using tomato slices, buns, obviously, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and pickles. We'll start with our onion, slice notches, and then dice. For our garlic, we'll smash, peel, slice, and mince. Place a small to medium-sized pot on medium with a little bit of oil and add the onions. Cook the onions until they become translucent, about 3 minutes, and add your garlic. Heat until fragrant and add the salt, turmeric, MSG, brown sugar, honey, and mustard. Give it a little mixy mix to check for consistency, and I'm adding all the water here. Give it one final stir and let it reduce, stirring occasionally until it reaches a consistency you like. To fry the chicken, get a pot and add the frying oil and let the heat get to 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 to 175 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, we'll coat our chicken with potato starch. Once the oil is ready, carefully place your chicken into the pot. Let them fry for 5 minutes and remove, turning the oil up to 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 to 205 degrees Celsius. And again, once the oil is ready, carefully place your chicken for the second fry, letting them fry for just 1.5 to 2 minutes. After removing the chicken, we'll toss them in a bowl with the sauce, burn ourselves while toasting our buns, please don't do this, and move to assembly. Bottom bun, pickles, chicken, tomato slices, some flaky salt, crown, and there you have it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please leave a like down below and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the kitchen next time.